in Globe, they also tell me that they have not increased their card. So we are here this morning to meet with the management. If they increase their card, we want to know. They should announce it officially. If they have not increased their card, they should also announce officially. Because I speak to you, the card that they are selling 110, the Airtel of 100 naira is now 110. So that 10 naira, we have seen that to check. If Edo people, 200,000 Edo people, 10 naira is 2 million naira every blessed day. The one they sell 500 naira, the card they sell 500 naira Airtel is the vendors and the dealers. So that is why we are here, to register our protest before we begin to apprehend them. Sole, sole, sole,
solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. We shall always fight for.
Call the Oga. We want to see the Oga. Enough of this extortion. Enough of this extortion. That 10 naira that they are extorting from our Edo people, we want to know if Airtel increase their recharge card to 110. If I want to buy any card of 100 naira, it is 100 naira they right here. So where that 10 naira is going, we want to know. And on this note, nobody will enter here, nobody will come out. Today, we want to make sure that this oppression, this injustice, this evil union stop in Edo State. This evil union must stop. If you are a dealer, if you are a dealer in Edo State and you are causing hardship to people, we, as a human rights activist, we will not allow it. If you are a company and you are causing hardship to Edo people, we will not allow it. I will deliver Edo people from this extortion. I will deliver Edo people from this injustice. We know that Airtel have not increased their card. So Airtel should come out to announce to the public that their 100 naira card is 100 naira. People are selling 120, they are selling 130, they are selling 150. That is why we are here this morning. Sole, sole, sole,
solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. We shall always fight for our rights.
It's not funny. When you check 10 naira times 200,000 Edo people, that is 2 million naira every blessed day. The one that they are selling 500, the union people that is selling the card put 50 naira by themselves. And when you check the 50 naira times 50,000 Edo people, that is 2.5 million. So therefore, we must deliver Edo people from extortion and from oppression. Nobody will go inside, nobody will enter.
I'm trying to say, Airtel, they are saying all the night because MTN. MTN is the highest.
We are there yesterday.
We are just telling it that I think so. MTN is the worst.
Another challenge.
Yeah, why we are here this morning? Yes, I'm in Nigeria, nobody will enter, nobody will come inside. Yes. I'm in Nigeria, the organization we belong to, the Traders Welfare Union and the ESA agenda, what we fight is extortion. Yeah. The people that is selling recharge card in Benin, Edo State, they are extorting the Edo people. The recharge card at the right 100 naira, they are selling it 110, 120, and 150. And if you check 10 naira times 200,000 Edo people, that is 2 million. So they are causing hardship to Edo people.
Solidarity forever. We shall always fight for our rights. Solidarity forever.
management enter Nigeria to come and address the Edo people. While we are waiting for them, nobody will enter this office, nobody will come out. Everybody is blaming government. The union that they are doing, they are using union to spoil their name. Go stay that door, nobody will enter there, nobody will come out. The union that they are doing in those states must stop. Those evil union they are doing inside our markets, those evil union they are doing anywhere in those states will stop it. They are using their union to cause hardship to Edo people. They are using their evil union to cause hardship to Edo people. They are using their union to cause hardship to Edo people. That is why we are here. Then we address us this morning. The dealers that is selling this recharge card, they have a union, and they are using their union to cause pain to Edo people. Sole, 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 solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. We shall always fight for our right. Great Nigeria people. Great. I'm not fighting for myself alone. I am fighting for the entire Nigeria people. I am fighting for the entire Edo people. We are saying enough is enough. Yes, so. Airtel Nigeria have not increased their card. We are here. If they increase their card, let them tell us officially, so that we can redirect our people. Good morning. Good morning.
Airtel Nigeria is a... Firstly, let me appreciate us for coming first.
Yes.
And thank you for speaking loud.
Yes, I want to address you first, sir.
Okay, sir.
Airtel Nigeria is a company that employs a lot of Nigeria. We quite appreciate that. We also know that Airtel Nigeria have not increased their card.
Yes.
As I speak today, when you go around in Benin City, in our rural area, 18 local government of Edo State, the card that you are selling for 100 naira, boldly written 100 naira, people are now selling it 110 naira, 120, and 130. The one that you are selling 200 naira, they are not selling it 220. The one of 500 naira, they are not selling it 550. We see it as an extortion. I, Comrade Lucky Orukpe, the president of the Traders Welfare Union, convener and gender movement, we have sat down to check, even at 10 naira that they add for the 100 naira zone. When you check 10 naira times 200,000 Edo people every blessed day is 2 million naira. When you check 20 naira they add for the 200 naira old every blessed day for 200,000 Edo people, that is 4 million. The 500 naira Airtel card that we buy for 500 is now 550. When you check 50 naira times 50,000 Edo people, that is 2.5 million. It is not Airtel that increases it. It is the evil union they are doing in Benin, in Edo State. So we are here this morning to hear from you, sir. If Airtel has increased their card officially so that we can redirect our people, if Airtel have not increased their card, we only have to pray for you. Number one prayer, sir, you need to come out for radio and television that your card still remain 100 naira and your card remain 200 and your card remain 500. You need to direct your dealers. You need to call your dealers for emergency meeting because they are spoiling the name of this company. Second prayer, sir, the Traders Welfare Union is ready for you to set up a team. Let's go inside our market. Anybody that sell 120, 130, we will point them to you so that you can use those people to show example. That is why we are here. Great Nigeria people. Great. Another challenge.
Another challenge. Another challenge. Challenge.
Thank you very much for coming to speak with us on this challenge. Airtel is a responsible and responsive organization that does not joke with the masses. a very key factor we work with. So it would have been practically impossible, like you said, that we have gone ahead to increase prices of our recharges. We have not. Then that is to tell you emphatically that we have not. And I want to tell you directly that our direct partners too, they have not also increased it because of price monitoring.
They address Nigeria.
Hold on, sir. So the most important thing that we are going to serving this situation, like you said, the monitoring team we are talking about, we have a monitoring team that we are doing price check and price control. It's not now that we started it. We do it. We have been doing it over a long time ago. So, as I'm talking to you now, we have calls, we have people calling from our HQ, asking and doing surveys, how much do you buy, how much do you buy? So anywhere people say they are bought above recommended retail price of 100 naira, we go there and salvage the situation. We are going to bring all parties on board, and I want to tell you emphatically that if you have ever witnessed it, it will never be peculiar to maybe to one network or the other. If you see anybody perpetuating that kind of evil, it will be common. It will be like if you ask them for any network, yes, they will also inflate the price. Yes. However, this is more prevalent it will be prevalent in our more rural locations. What we are just going to do, as we have been doing, the management will be rightly informed about this. And at our state level, all our monitoring team, we have staff that does the monitoring of all these price compliance for us. We also set them out, and like you said, if you need to work with you, we work with you like you said. We get some of them and we correct these if there are any at all. So thank you for coming. I will sit with you, look at areas that are of concern and take action. But as for our partners, we have not increased.
Airtel have not increased their card. Edo people, home and abroad, are you hearing?
Even our partners have not increased. If you go beside me here, if you go inside, if you go this way.
Why? They won't know serious business, now we call here for.
You will discover that it is not more than 100 naira. That's why I said isolated cases that we are going to look at it. We are going to look at it.
Information, sir. Can I give you some information?
And that's why I said let's sit down and talk about.
But just our sister that is coming, as a mother that is coming, they don't even know what is happening. So, what is the Globalcom and the MTN? They have not increased their recharge card. But when you go around Benin today, the one that they are selling 100 naira is now 110,
yes,
120. The one that they are selling 200 naira is 220. The one that they are selling 500 is 550. I went to MTN yesterday. I also went to Glow. Please, listen to me. As we speak today, the MTN Nigeria swing into action yesterday to begin to arrest some of these vendors and the dealers because they are spoiling their name, even their Glow. So we are here today to complain to MTN Nigeria Limited. I also use Airtel. If you check the 10 naira that they put on top, if 200,000 adult people buy the charge card every blessed day, which I know they are more than, is 2 million naira every blessed day. That is extortion. The one that they are selling for 500, that they put 50 naira. If you check the 50 naira times 50,000 adult people, that is 2.5 million. The one that they are selling to 200 naira, that they put 20 naira at top, when you check it by 200,000 adult people, that is 4 million. So if we continue to keep quiet, who is going to speak for our children time to come?
Nobody.
So for me as a human rights activist, I don't do mock program. I fight extortion and I fight injustice. I've been in this business since 1997. Even a Edo state government partner with the Traders Welfare Union to fight corruption inside our market. So I see no reason a company like this have not increased their price. So we are calling all the dealers of Airtel, vendors that is selling Airtel products, Airtel Nigeria, their representative, Edo State, Benin, Uselu branch spoke with us that they have not increased their airtime. Great Nigeria people.
Great.
I am not hearing Nigeria. Great Nigeria people.
Great.
Great Nigeria people.
Great. Thank you, my dear. God bless you.
Hello, excuse me, sir.